What's up, Myrtle Beach Travel Park? Welcome back to our virtual activity corner. Today we are going to be making monster finger puppets. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your pipe cleaner and you're going to peel off the piece of paper. There is a glue dot on the top of your pipe cleaner. Just like that. Then you are going to stick the pom-pom on top of the glue dot. Just like that. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your googly eyes and you're going to put them on your monster however you would like. Just like that. And then once you have done all of that, you can take your pipe cleaner and you're going to wrap it around your index finger. Just like that. Then you're going to slide it off. And there you have it.